G'day! Today we're making a cookie that I often get requested to make. Honestly, it's a very versatile base that you can add almost anything to. We start by creaming together softened butter, sugar, and condensed milk. Next, add in the flour and chocolate.
Here we go.
I add in stages as this mix is huge. A helpful hint is using a tea towel to contain the flour dust, but for safety, remember to make sure that tea towel is away from the mixer's paddles. Now at this stage in the cookie mix is where I'd normally stop, but I wanted to knock it up a notch with the addition of cocoa powder and desiccated coconut. Once combined, roll into balls and place onto a tray into the oven at 180 degrees for 16 to 18 minutes. These cookies are chewy when cooked less and crunchy when cooked more. The sweet spot is right in the middle, crunchy with a slight chew. Oh. Now the leftover mix can either be cooked now or rolled into logs for future use. Check out how to do that, the video is linked.